I don't really eat turkey too much, so today I'm gonna show you how to prepare some Cornish hens. We're gonna have dressing, greens, sweet potatoes, Cornish hens, some other shit. Now the first thing you wanna do is wash your motherfucking hands. You're gonna be having your hands on shit. You gotta keep them hands fresh and clean. Make sure you ain't got dirt and shit all up under your nails. And you wanna clean your chicken off. Now if your chicken got some hairs on it, some feathers, you can either burn them off or just pluck them off. But what I do is I get salt. And this is how I clean my chicken, with the salt. It ain't gonna taste salty like that because I'm gonna rinse it all off. And I rub them together, get that salt to grind into that skin a little bit. Got a few little feathers right here, or feather bones should I say. I'm gonna just clip them on off. Clip them things on off. A little apple cider vinegar. And wash these things on off and take out some of that excess fat. Gotta take that fat up out of it, out of the inside of it. Don't want none of that all around, don't need that. Sometimes a little bit on the legs. It peels right on off. Get that all up out of there. Peel it all on out. I don't need none of that. That fat. Rinse them off real good. Rinse that salt off. All that extra fat. Take all off that extra fat off of it. Put that shit right on off. Now what I do, I ain't gonna tie the legs together, but what I do, I take these chicken wings and I flip them to the back. So they sit up nice and right for me. Flip them on to the back. So they look like that. Now we on to something. Now what I do, I use extra virgin olive oil. Put it into the bowl. It's gonna give it that golden look. Everybody got their different sauce, but you know me, I love some of that. We're gonna use some garlic powder. We're gonna use some lemon pepper, some peppercorn, some parsley flakes. And we're gonna put it into the olive oil. We're gonna season this olive oil up real nice and good. A little garlic. And don't be scared to use the seasoning. We got some lemon pepper. I mean some black pepper grinder. Don't use a lot of that. Get some of this pepper up in there. I'm supposed to get a lemon. Damn, I forgot the lemon. Got my lemon. Some parsley flakes. And we're gonna stir that all up. Stir that up real good. Boom. What you want to do after you mix everything up, you want to apply it to your chicken. If you got a If you have a brush, you can use a brush. But I'm going to just use my hand and get it everywhere I need it to be. Don't be scared to get that all over it. Nice and good. All over it. Flip them on over. Get some in the inside of it. Pour some of that on up in there. We're gonna use it all. Give it some of that flavor. They should be looking like that. Get a little closer to you. Flavor to go. Now you preheat your oven 350 degrees. 350 in the oven. Place them in your pan. We'll give it that golden taste, that golden look. I love my seasoning, so I'm gonna sprinkle it over the top just a little bit. And I'm gonna place these in the oven. I'm gonna let y'all see what they look like in a minute. Got some of that lemon pepper on it. 350 the oven. I cook them for about an hour and 40 minutes. Take some of that juice. Put it over the top of while it's cooking in there. Throw it up there. That's how they looking right now, though.